weirdly and ironically, I want someone who thinks Instagram is a waste of time. Yeah, never again. I think please do relationship, अपना कटवाओ अच्छे से, breakup कर लो, but never ever fall into a situationship because I'll tell you why. I don't miss my ex, but I miss this one guy that I had a situationship with. Never fuck with friends. It just तुम्हारी रिलेशनशिप में तो कटेगा ही, फिर तुम्हारी फ्रेंडशिप भी टूट जाएगी, तो फिर नेवर डू दैट. नॉट रिकमेंडेड एट ऑल. एक तो मुझे हर दूसरे इंसान से प्यार हो जाता है, मुझे प्यार ही इतनी जल्दी होता है यार, पता नहीं कब से. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये तो पक्का प्यार ही है. ये जो मुझे इससे बटरफ्लाइज आ रही है ना, आई टेक इट फॉर लव ऑल द टाइम. इवन गर्ल्स आफ्टर अ पॉइंट दे रियलाइज कि भाई उन्हें एक घर चाहिए, उन्हें स्टेबिलिटी चाहिए. वाई डोंट मैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट? आई हैव एवरीथिंग planned about my wedding. Like I know the menu, the venue, the caterers, the decorators, the planners, the guest list.
Do you like someone who is the kind, nice person, or who is a fuck boy? जितना भी बोल लो तुम लोग, you will always pick a fuck boy. So welcome to yet another episode of Unset Feelings with Shanky. जो आज की गेस्ट है वो है हमारी स्माइल, हमारी मुस्कान. Okay, I'm sure you know her, and the conversations that we are going to have with her is around love, heartbreaks and life, क्योंकि उसके लाइफ में वो अपने आप को गीत बुलाती है. एंड गीत से ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लाइफ मैंने आज तक किसी की नहीं देखी है. सो लेट्स हियर इट फ्रॉम मुस्कान इटसेल्फ. So hi Muskan.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Great.
How do you feel taking my spot there?
I feel amazing. Stealing your spot. Are you jealous?
I'm very jealous because usually I sit there and only for you because you wanted that frame.
See, this podcast gotta be unique. It's gotta be different.
And we
It's
have
not
you.
your usual.
And we have you. It is not usual.
See?
So Muskan, with that, you all want to know. So I know what kind of person you are online. Okay. So are you the same person online and off camera as well?
Yeah, a little too much off camera. Like, yeah, that's what I've been told. Like, I talk exactly the way I talk online. It's just that I think my real life personality can get cancelled any soon.
And if you had to relate yourself to one character,
You know it. that would be Geet. Any day Geet. But I am also like a lot of Geet, Shruti Kakkad, Kavya from Humpty Sharma, Anjali from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. I'm a lot of like a mixture.
you're a mixture of all of that.
Yeah, Kalpana from Gajni, जादू की छड़ी हूँ. यूं सरकारें बदल जाती हैं.
And that is why you have not found your partners, because I think none of these people have found their partners.
Yeah, no, ouch. Kalpana died, so I think I need to die now.
So, but with that, so when we talk about partners, you've been dating.
I've not been dating.
How long has it been?
A very long time. Ouch. I don't know. अभी मेरे को टर्म्स ही समझ नहीं आती. मेरे लिए for the longest I've known या तो आप रिलेशनशिप में हो या आप नहीं हो. फिर मेरे को आधा पौना कुछ समझ नहीं आता जो अभी Gen Z का हो चुका है. But it's been 2 years, no 1.5 years since I last dated. Like I was in a healthy, serious, proper relationship.
So what do you mean? So after that you've been in relationships, like
No, relationship is like serious commitment.
Okay, you've been seeing people here and there after that?
Yeah, like I've been going out on dates and I've been seeing also, but like not really.
Are you seeing someone right now?
No.
Like you are so completely single, ready to mingle?
Not. I mean, I'm tired of trying to mingle, so it's okay. Like I keep having phases. Like my life right now would be like in 4 different phases. A, I really love and I want to love someone. B, I'm unlovable. C, nobody loves me. And D, I don't love anybody. So yeah.
Do you have a list of this?
I think I don't know. I just made it. Like, I was just processing in my mind. Like this is literally 4 buckets I would want to put myself and my dating life into.
So okay, how many relationships have you been in before that?
By relationship, do you mean old school, real,
Okay,
proper?
tell me what are
serious?
relationships.
relationships.
Do you count? Okay. Do you count? Like, we'll go from the bottom. Do you count one night stands as relationships?
No.
Okay. Do you count like seeing each other for a week and then you getting to know, okay, maybe you're not meant for each other?
No.
Those are relationships.
No.
Situationships are relationships.
No.
Relationships are relationships.
Relationships are relationships when you're like, when both the parties are seriously and fully committed to each other. अब उसमें आधा पौना या फिर exclusive, non-exclusive ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. Exclusive हो, आप दोनों एक दूसरे को ही हो and you're just like with each other and it's like out there for the world to know.
Okay, so how many relationships have you been in?
3.
3. And which has been the longest one?
The last one.
How many years?
2 years. Yeah.
How
2
was
good
it?
years.
So how were your relationships overall?
They're mostly long term only. मतलब ever since 2016, I've barely been single. So till 2022. And then ever since 22, I've always been single. Like 2022 के बाद मुझे ऐसा लगा कि भाई ये तो मैं Gen Z era में फंस चुकी हूँ. प्रॉब्लम पता है ज़माने की दिक्कत है. मतलब ये ज़माना ही समझ ही नहीं आता मुझे. अब तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि there is no definition to a relationship. मतलब it's so difficult to be in a serious committed relationship right now because people suffer with a lot of confrontation issues, commitment issues, trust issues, anxiety issues, past trauma, so you name it. So it's really difficult. And it's just ज़माना ही गलत है.
So
But,
ये जो जितना भी चीज बोला है कि commitment issues, trust issues, past trauma, does it come from the relationships you've been in the past? ये सब वहाँ से आता है और you've built it separately?
Some of it because of that, some of it because of like some of the other experiences that I've had. Every issue has a reason behind it.
There's a reason behind it.
Yeah, has a good reason behind it.
And so basically, I think you're not dating for 1.5 years now.
Yes, I've not dated.
So is it because you have a lot of guard in front of you?
No, like I'm very open to new experiences. It's just that एक तो ये जो buckets आ गए ना कि red flag, green flag, he's a 10, but then these are the minus points, these are the brownie points. They just उन्होंने मेरे दिमाग को इतना चैनल कर दिया है ना कि अब मैं एक छोटा सा भी रेड फ्लैग देखती हूँ and then I just like negate, like I just like put that person in my mental block list.
So what are your red flags?
Red flags for me, a lot of red flags for me. First red flag would be how's the person dealing with their domestic help, their drivers, their let's say if we go out, how's this person dealing with the waiter, with the bartender?
Makes sense.
Yeah, so that is
One.
Yeah, that is one. And the person needs to be a people's person. Because I am a very people. I'm a yapper girl. Like I keep talking, I keep gagging all the damn time. So this person should be a very listener kind, I think. People's person, but like also great listener. With me, anybody needs to be great listener.
So someone who is not a good listener is a red flag for you.
Yeah, it's a red flag. Yeah. Then someone who is active on social media. Biggest red flag.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
You are a...
Yeah. Weirdly, yes. Like I want to date or to be with somebody who doesn't know about my existence as of now, or who doesn't like know anything about the whole influencer world or the social media world in general.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Like you are an influencer
Yeah.
and you want someone who is not an influencer. Leave
At
not
all.
an influencer. You want someone who is not on social media.
Weirdly and ironically, I want someone who thinks Instagram is a waste of time. Yeah.
What do you... So, but how?
Right.
Like, because you should be the last person to look for someone like that.
Yeah, I know. I don't know. It's just so attractive when a guy tells me that, I don't use Instagram. I think it's a waste of time. I don't follow anybody. I don't even have an account on Instagram. Like they are more active on Twitter, let's say, or Reddit, let's say. That's like my type.
Have you ever met someone who was not on Instagram?
Recently.
Oh.
Like on 3rd of March. And today is 6th, by the way.
Oh my God. So, is that something cooking?
No, nothing. मेरी लाइफ बहुत ही झंड है. मतलब मेरा तो हर जगह ही कटता है. वो यहाँ तक बात होके फिर वो कैंसिल हो जाता है. I'm like that you know, the girl who is trying in a lot of different universities but gets rejected from every
Every-
university. Yes, I am that girl.
So in the last relationships, you've been in 3 relationships.
प्रॉपर जिसे हम एक्चुअल सीरियस रिलेशनशिप कहते हैं और जिसके साथ हम हमारे बच्चों के नाम भी डिसाइड करते हैं, हम फुल क्रिंज हो जाते हैं, हम सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत पोस्ट करते हैं और जिसके साथ हम सोचते हैं कि कि फैमिली को बता सकते हैं या फिर
चल
शादी
सकता
का कोई
है।
सीन हो सकता है.
So
Thrice.
वो ब्रेकअप जो हुआ वो क्यों हुआ?
वो sad shit happened, like shit went down in my last relationship. Issues, a lot of like trust issues, distance, and yeah,
Were you sad after that?
I mean, very very sad. But then I think if I wouldn't have been in Mumbai, like there was a breakup that I had to deal with when lockdown has just hit us. So tabhi it was way more difficult for me to move on. But then the last relationship I was in was easier because I was in Mumbai.
Yeah.
I had my friends around and Mumbai is a home to me. I always have people. Like I have found a family over here who's always like one call away. I'm living with my sister, so that helps a lot. So this was easier, but like when in lockdown, and it was my first like mature relationship. Second relationship overall, but like first mature one. उससे पहले की तो high school वाली थी.
So तुम लोग ने बात कर लिया था शादी का and your parents knew about it?
The last relationship?
Yeah.
Yeah, he came to my brother's wedding.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so everybody in my family kind of knew.
So your family knew and his family also knew about you?
Sort of, yeah. Like I had met his family, he has met my family. So yeah.
Are you crying? Do you want to cry?
No, I just wanna, like, I feel happy that
It
we
ended.
ended things, yeah.
And so did you feel like
Yeah, I'm
it
just
was-
glad I'm not ending up with that person because up until very recently, this person sent like a rose to my friend on Hinge. And he knew that she's my friend, so that's like
Oh my god, such a small world.
such a low blow. Yeah, I know.
Oh my god. So have you, like, when you broke up, did you feel that you are not in a good space? Were you not in a good space after the breakup, and did it take time for you to move on from
It
that?
didn't take a lot of time because fun story time. Right after my breakup, it had put me in a huge like huge spot where I feel very vulnerable and insecure. Insecure about a lot of things about myself, people around me, my work ethic, my body. Huge insecure spot, and even vulnerability for that matter. So right after my breakup, I did what every girl in her early 20s would do. I tried my most to go out. I tried chilling out with my friends a lot. I tried spending as much as time not thinking about the other person. So, like, deep within, I knew that I'm very insecure, very vulnerable. And that's why I think I found myself in a situationship. Like, I had fallen into the trap of situation.
After the breakup?
After the breakup, I had fallen. After a month of it, I think I went out for the first time in my life ever, like through a dating app.
Okay.
That was my first ever date. And it was crazy, like too perfect to be true. It was, yeah, too perfect. Like, and anyway, when you've just broken up, everything feels too good to be true,
good to
sort
be
of like. So I fell into this trap called situationship. Yeah, never again. I think please do relationship, अपना कटवाओ अच्छे से, break up कर लो, but never ever fall into a situationship, because I'll tell you why. I don't miss my ex, but I miss this one guy that I had a situationship with.
Oh my god.
So bad, like
I think we should just give a high five. I've just come out of that as well.
from a situationship. Oh god, it's just so painful. Oh.
I know. So, how long were you together in that situationship?
3-4 months.
And then you started falling, and he did not.
I fell hard, like really hard. And the other person too, initially, but then they started love bombing me. So, love bombing, by the way, new term, Gen Z term.
Okay, what is it?
Love bombing is when basically बहुत सारा भाव देना किसी पर्सन को, किसी इंसान को बहुत सारा भाव देना, और फिर उसके बाद सारा का सारा भाव उससे ले लेना, so that you are creating a void with
Void
them, like
with them.
बहुत सारा भाव दिया, तो this person is craving for attention from you and only you, and they are like addicted to getting attention from you, and then अचानक से you take all of that attention and love and care away from them, and then you just like over there like, hello, you're the only person in this world who I used to care about, who I used to send my good morning text to. What the hell happened to you? Where are you now? Where is my Uth Gayi Maharani? Where is my good morning?
What the?
So yeah.
I think I learned a new word today. I love bombing, guys. Come
Love
on.
bombing.
No, don't do that to anyone.
Never love bomb anybody. Just be like very clear from day one itself, please.
And after that, so you started falling hard for him.
Yeah.
He did not.
He is a great guy. We're still friends, but like things didn't work out because the timings weren't right, or at least that's how they say it.
So what do you think about like that place that you were in? How was it for you?
It's a very low spot to be in. Matlab, like even in the situationship, because I always had the word, because I had just gotten out of a very, very serious relationship. So I didn't know, like I was used to that much amount of love, care, pampering. So right after it, I used to look for that only, that same amount of love, care, affection, pampering, which I never got from anybody else. So in that situationship, I think I expected a lot, which also is very wrong for somebody that you've just met. And yeah, I was naive, I was innocent, I didn't know like this is what a situationship is, this is how things go here in Bombay, this is what casual means. I didn't know, I've never been in a casual relationship.
Because you
Even
were always dating since 2016, right? So
Yeah.
you were dating from 2016 to 2022.
Yeah.
So that is why you never understood what these things are, because you were always in a relationship.
Yeah, I was always in a relationship. So, matlab, uske baad, this situationship also was like a casual relationship where the other person was casual and I was the relationship bit of it. So, sadly, yeah. But it's so like dating altogether has become so difficult right now. Like, it's like power dynamics. कि मतलब कौन सबसे पहले किसको I like you too बोलेगा, that person becomes inferior. Whoever confesses first becomes inferior. Like it's proper power dynamic. Who is stronger?
But I think I am not someone like that. Okay, I think it all depends again, because if I really like someone, no, I'm the first one who will just go and confess. And it is not, I don't want to, it's not about feeling inferior, it's not feeling about, I just want to let out all the feelings that I have, कि कम से कम end of the day regret ना रहे किसी चीज़ का.
I did the same. I regret a lot.
You regret a lot?
A lot. अरे मैं बताती हूँ. Okay, so this guy, I still have a huge crush on. I think I'm forever gonna have a crush on this guy. I think my husband, if ever I have one, so my husband should be aware that this guy is gonna steal your wife.
Okay, who is this guy?
I have a huge crush on this guy, okay?
So who is it, like the situationship guy or someone random?
Someone I know and someone who knows me.
Okay.
And he was a college senior.
Okay.
And everybody in my college knew about him. Even the guy that I was dating back then, like I was in a relationship with back then, knew about him. Everybody, even he knew about it. I think pretty much. I mean, I am so, like I'm such a, like I make it so evident. I'm so stupid. Like I make it so evident. मैं उसके सामने गिर पड़ जाती हूँ और कुछ चाह रहा होता है तो मैं उसको बस देखती रहती हूँ. I don't even realize that I'm glorifying him. It's so creepy. Honestly, like if I was him, I would be like so creeped out by myself. कि क्या कर रही है ये लड़की? Because he's just so pretty. Like उसको देख के ऐसा लगता है कि भगवान ने बहुत टाइम लिया. उसको एक बाल उसका बहुत अच्छे से बनाया है भगवान ने. एक like oh my god.
So you guys never hit off together?
So he was dating a girl back in college, and then as soon as I think I got to know that his girl, who was now his ex, got engaged to somebody else. So I was like, this girl is engaged now. Now I finally, after 5 years of knowing him, I finally have a chance because I am single. I'm assuming he is single and he doesn't post anything on social media. He's rarely like on social media.
That is why you got addicted to.
It's not just him. I think it's just a very like girly thingy to be attracted to people who don't use to guys who don't use social media a lot, who are like very inactive on social media. Because these are the guys who like actually give a shit about real world and not social media world.
You mean to say we are fake?
No,
No, Muskan, you think I'm sitting here and...
No, but every girl's type is Aditya, and Aditya is somebody who would... Aditya Kashyap is somebody who would like be off of social media, because he would think that this is like a waste of time or like stupidity. He would rather be on I don't know.
On
Just
Hinge or
no,
Bumble.
not Hinge or Bumble. He would rather be sad about his family situation or his ex, or like he be in a train hitting off to nowhere and then
Or-
might find a geese or something. I don't know. Or he would be like genuinely giving a shit to his like work. जिन लोगों का काम है ये, उन लोग के लिए तो obviously it's work, so you can't help it. But then people who don't have any, like, who don't leverage off of social media, get any money off of social media, and are on social media 20 hours a day. Sometimes I make money, sometimes I don't. Like, but I've always been somebody with 21 hours of screen time. So yes, I'm a hypocrite.
And that is why you want your partner not to be on social media.
Yeah,
Because you're compensating for him.
Yeah. I'm compensating for both of us. Like my screen time even right now is 21 hours a day. I'm not
What
even
are you
kidding.
saying?
Yeah, I don't sleep. Like last night only we spoke.
Yeah.
And then, like I was up by 5 in the morning today. So I only slept.
No, I texted you at around 2 in the night and I was like, Muskan, just let me know your address. I'll come pick you up. And I did not expect you replying me in the night. I thought you'll reply me in the morning. And I
I'm
just get a
always
text back
online.
from you. Okay, this is it. Oh, shit.
I'm always online. I don't know what I'm doing, but like, yeah. But that's the generation now. And also, half the time it's me trying to get to know the new terms, new people, like the Gen Z, so that I can make content out of it.
Okay.
And half the time I'm consuming the content that I relate to. So
And I think now I got the reason why I am single today is because girls want someone who is not on social media.
yeah, they would prefer, unless they are an influencer or a content creator, or a celebrity who is like so well known, like Nikhil Kamath, of course.
He's too good.
He's so many, like so many of my friends have a huge crush on him. Although he's dating, but still. So yeah, there's somebody like Nikhil Kamath, like he's making money off of social media. So not him, not Ashneer Grover, not Aman, but somebody like कोई ऐसे ही अगर इंस्टाग्राम या सोशल मीडिया इतना चलाता है तो फिर आई डोंट थिंक आई फाइंड दैट पर्सन वेरी अट्रैक्टिव फॉर सम रीजन.
Everyone got your answer. Now don't all the influencers, celebrities stay away from her. She won't
It's
give you
just
any bhav.
In fact, I think I will never have anything with a content creator or an influencer or somebody who is well known on social media in general, क्योंकि again golden rule, जिसके साथ व्यापार करो उससे कभी ना प्यार करो.
तुम फुल मारवाड़ी हो, तुम्हें पता है. You are
भाई जहाँ प्यार वहाँ व्यापार नहीं हो सकता, जहाँ व्यापार वहाँ प्यार नहीं हो सकता.
no, but I think यार when two people are in love, they can grow something together, right?
या पर पहले प्यार कर लो, पर अगर आप व्यापार से ही मिले हो तो फिर प्यार नहीं हो सकता, तो फिर भसड़ होगी. हुई ना भसड़ बैंड बाजा बारात में भी, इट्स ट्रू.
नहीं फिर एंड में तो साथ में आ गए ना उन लोग.
या बट स्टिल भसड़ भी क्यों, मतलब
भसड़ तो लाइफ का काम ही भसड़ है ना.
लाइफ में ऑलरेडी इतनी भसड़ है. बट लाइक आई जेन्युइनली, प्लस दैट वाज द मूवी, बट दैट आई जेन्युइनली फील कि जहाँ पे मतलब जहाँ पे प्यार होता है वहाँ पे प्यार नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि फिर मतलब मैं कोई एक चीज़ वन एट अ टाइम कर पाऊंगी.
Okay, so what is love to you, Muskan? When you talk about love, प्यार क्या है? प्यार दोस्ती है.
प्यार दोस्ती तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. ठीक है, सॉरी कुछ होता है, सॉरी करण जौहर, बट प्यार दोस्ती नहीं है. हेलो, आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ गुड लाइक डिसेंट नाइस प्लेटोनिक फ्रेंड्स एंड आई जेन्युइनली सेलिब्रेट द प्लेटोनिक फ्रेंडशिप्स दैट आई हैव. सो प्यार दोस्ती नहीं है. I have great platonic friendships. I'm so glad, I'm so thankful till date for the people that I have around. But love, it has a lot to do with commitment. It has a lot to do with that feeling, like, you know, butterflies in the stomach. And to me, I'll tell you what, like I look at touch wood, I look at my mom and dad and then I just go like, this is the definition of love for me and this is what I want. Like I look at them and I'm very clear about this. This is exactly what I want from life. Like my mom is not a very, okay, I don't know if I should say this on record or not. Like my mom is not a very easy person to live with. Like I've lived with her for 22 years, so I know.
आंटी जी नमस्ते.
20 years.
आपकी बेटी आंटी क्या बोल रही है?
she's not like she's a great person. Like she's a great human being, but she's not very easy to live with. She's like she has a lot of tantrums, okay, and she's like she has mood swings at the rate of like speed of light, at the speed of light.
Why?
Yeah.
Wow.
तो उनको उनके साथ रहना is very difficult. And she's like a kid at heart. She's like moody, ziddy, and she's like a kid. Like उनका नाम चंचल है और वो है भी चंचल.
चंचल. Oh.
Yes, she's like a kid. Literally a kid. Like she's so like I'll show her picture to you and then you'll know like ये तो एकदम बच्ची सी है. Yeah, that's my mom. And like the way my dad has been like the way my dad is a full चमचा पता है मम्मी का. like बचपन में प्री लॉकडाउन जब तक मैं मेरी अंडर ग्रेजुएट कॉलेज नहीं गई थी तब तक तो पापा लाइक मेरे घर में ऐसा होता था कि मम्मी की साइड भैया, पापा मेरी साइड रहेंगे. सो आई एम लाइक पापा इज टीम मुस्कान, मम्मी इज ऑलवेज टीम रौनक, लाइक माई ब्रदर टीम भैया. तो एटलीस्ट आई हैड सम सपोर्ट. बट एवर सिंस लॉकडाउन पापा मम्मी का साइड लेने लग गए. तो मैंने बोला इतनी चमचागिरी क्या कर रहे हो. तो पापा वाज लाइक देख करना पड़ता है, जिंदगी भर तो चंचल के साथ ही रहना है, तू तो चली जाएगी शादी करके. एंड आई एम लाइक you traitor and tu Brutus. But yeah,
Uncle know the priorities.
yeah man, and he has his priorities straight. like और चंचल ने बोल दिया तो बोल दिया. बचपन से ना हमको कुछ भी ले रहा होता था मेरे को भैया को लिटलेस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स. तो we just had like one code, it's called ATM.
ATM.
ask to mom. हर चीज के लिए लिटलेस्ट और द बिगेस्ट ऑफ आवर डिसीजंस ask to mom. हमारा पूरा कंट्रोल ममा हैज ओनली हैड.
So whenever there's something in the house, you'll be like ATM.
Yeah,
Like,
ATM.
कुछ भी
Yeah,
पापा से
completely.
पूछने जाओगे, पापा
ATM.
बोलेंगे ATM.
हाँ. और ये दोनों मेरे को तो बिल्कुल पिंग पोंग बॉल की तरह से खिलाते थे. मम्मी बोलती थी पापा से पूछ, पापा बोलते थे मम्मी से पूछ. और मेजरली डिसीजन मेकर तो मम्मी होती थी. मेरी मम्मी इज द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ आवर.
And I think don't you agree to this कि जब फैमिली वालों को कुछ अग्री नहीं करना होता है बट दे कैन नॉट टेल यू डायरेक्टली,
हाँ, तो
उन लोग
वही
क्या
ऐसे-
बोलेंगे कि पापा से पूछने जाएंगे, बेटा देखो कुछ भी करना है मम्मी से पूछ लो. मम्मी बोलेगी बेटा कुछ भी करना है पापा से पूछ लो.
ऐसे ही करते हैं.
कि अग्री नहीं करना है पर मुंह पे नहीं बोलेंगे ना, इधर उधर बैठाएंगे.
मैं तो बहुत ही इमोशनल ड्रामा करती थी बचपन में. मैं तो रो देती थी. मैं तो चीजें
मम्मी पे
ऐसे
गई हो
खो
ना?
देती थी. हाँ.
फुल A to Z.
I look exactly like her. I'll show a picture of her. You'll know.
I will attach a photo of her.
Yeah,
Okay.
like a lot of जब भी मैं उनके साथ फोटोज डालती हूँ. मैं एक दिन लाइव पे गई थी मम्मी के साथ तो फिर नीचे कमेंट्स पे एवरीबॉडी वाज लाइक अरे ये तो छोटी चंचल है. मतलब मुझे देख के कहते थे कि मैं छोटी चंचल हूँ. एंड इट्स ऑनेस्टली द बिगेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट. मतलब मैं लाइक आई हैव ऑलवेज हैड अ लव हेट रिलेशनशिप विद माय मॉम. तो before adulting hit me, I always used to take it as a mockery that I look like my mom. But now when I have some senses in my brain, I take it as a compliment. Yeah, shit, wow, my mom looks gorgeous. So it's like the top tier compliment that I could ever receive.
So I think that is the definition of love to you.
Yeah, I'll tell you what. अभी दिवाली पे ठीक है फन ट्रू स्टोरी. अभी दिवाली पे मैं घर गई थी तो मैं ना लिविंग रूम में बैठी हुई थी और पापा अपने रूम के बाहर ऐसे हाथ खड़ा करके खड़े थे. तो मैंने
As-
देखा हाँ अपने
You were
रूम के
like
जस्ट बाहर हाथ खड़ा
exercise.
करके. हाँ
एक्सरसाइज कर रहे थे.
नहीं सिर्फ हाथ खड़ा करके
ऐसे खड़े हुए थे?
हाँ हाथ खड़ा करके. अभी मैंने 10 मिनट देखा, 15 मिनट हुए, 20 मिनट हुए, खड़े हाथ नहीं दुख रहे पापा के.
Don't
तो
tell me.
मैंने पापा से पूछा कि पापा ऐसे क्यों खड़े हो. यू नो व्हाट ही सेड, बेटा मम्मी ने पनिशमेंट दिया है. इट्स सो क्यूट. लाइक इट्स गोल्स. इट्स गोल्स. मतलब दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई वांट. मेरे पापा सबसे बड़े चमचे मम्मी के. एंड मुझे आई एम एक्चुअली नॉट लुकिंग फॉर अ हस्बैंड बट अ चमचा फॉर लाइफ.
Oh my
Yeah.
god. Oh my, your dad, your mom are so cute.
So cute, like absolute cuties. So I think whenever I look at them, I feel like this is stability, this is commitment,
This is the kind of love you want.
this is pampering, this is so many cute things. Like, and my mom and dad are like always traveling, always traveling. They are travel freaks.
Travel where? Like on vacations?
Yeah, always traveling. Like right now as we speak, they're in Goa. Yeah, and they might go to Gokarna tomorrow. अपने हिसाब से कहीं पे भी कभी भी.
Wow.
Yeah, घूमते रहते हैं. Then मतलब like both of them are great companies for each other. Like they're very compatible also.
So for you, when you get into a relationship or when you are looking for a partner, what are the top 3 things you look for in a partner?
Of course, loyalty. That's my grade A. Like that's a non-negotiable. etiquettes, of course, basic, matlab the way you deal with people, the way you talk, the way you walk, the decency. I prefer, like, at least, especially my upbringing has been in this sort of way. So the men in my family, I've seen such great men around growing up, like such decent guys. All my brothers, they're they're so like family oriented, they're so work oriented, they're so like, and they're so happy in their lives, like they're like, I look up to them. Like I look at my brother and I was like, he's such a green flag. He's such a, like, growing up I always used to get annoyed because he was a pathetic brother. But then now when I look at him as a husband to my bhabi, I just go like, he's such a green forest. He's
The green forest, not a green flag.
green forest altogether. And my dad is the biggest, like he is altogether Amazon forest. But yeah, so loyalty, etiquettes, and I think some objective in life.
In life. Very
Yeah,
important.
like I would genuinely want to grow with you in all sorts of aspects of my life, like in all aspects of my life. Let's say in sort of like in our relationship also, like in terms of our physical relationship also, I want to grow with you. In our mental relationship also, intellectual basis, maybe I will want to grow with you. I want to grow with you as a person also, like I want to learn new skill sets with you. I want to learn painting with you. I want to learn a new music instrument with you. I want to play with you every single day. I want to grow in my business, my career, whatever that I'm doing with you. You teach me finances. I'll teach you. I can't teach you a lot.
You can
There's not
teach
a lot of
content.
me teaching you,
You
but
can teach content.
I'll definitely teach you content or whatever that is in my capabilities. So, matlab, I want to grow with the other person and I want the relationship to grow. And then I genuinely look for stability. मुझे अभी का नहीं समझ आता, लोगों का नहीं समझ आता. Bro, I like you, but yeah, let's go with the flow. Yeah, I'm not looking for anything serious. Yeah, then why are you with this person? Just like fuck around and then just forget about it. Fucking forget. That's it. If it's only about the action.
I think you are someone who looks for commitment from the other person.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
commitment is very
There
important.
was a phase of my life, like a proper phase.
I think everyone has a
phase.
hoe phase, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Everyone
Everybody
in life
yeah,
has
yeah.
a hoe phase and
Yeah,
they'll just go
right
all
after
out.
that situationship, like I was in a proper hoe phase where I was like, मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता, मुझे नहीं चाहिए commitment, मुझे बस time pass करना है, मुझे बस I'm just gonna like goof around, mess around, and you know it's a young blood, young
Yes,
energy.
yes,
Let's
yes.
just do it.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, it was good till it lasts, but it's not a great space to be in.
I think it is just maybe a comfort space that you try finding in that goofiness. And
Yeah, because it's like no commitment, you have no strings attached, and it's
and
cool.
and because you've been through so much, it's not that you're choosing to be that person. You never wanted to be in that
Yeah.
whole phase, but it's because you've gone through so much in the past relationship, in that situationship, and now you're like, I don't want to invest so
Leaves
much
you-
time.
Yeah, it leaves you at a spot. But then it's again the whole phase is not a great space to be in, honestly, because it's so damaging. Because I genuinely feel that every person that you hang out with a little bit or you spend littlest of your time, it's also exchange of time and exchange of energy.
Very
So let's say that person is going through something, that energy gets onto you. Like I felt that I was like, I used to be sad all the time, and I used to be like I used to feel things that I've never felt before. It's not a very bad thing, but then I also felt like I was getting a lot of bad energy from people and from multiple people. So it's not a great space to be in, honestly. Like, um, it's good till it lasts.
But you enjoyed that phase.
Yeah, I mean, it's no strings attached. You're having fun, young blood, theek hai, chill hai, but not recommended.
Not
Not
recommended.
recommended.
Because after that you end up
Everyone is in that phase because of some or the other majboori.
Exactly. That is what I'm saying कि किसी को उस phase में जाना नहीं है. No
हाँ.
one decides to be in that phase. वो situation ऐसे आ जाता है कि तुम
You're just like, fuck it. You're just like, अभी नहीं हो रहा है यार मुझसे, अभी मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा 3 months ऑफ टॉकिंग स्टेज। अभी मैं 3 महीने व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट कलर नहीं पूछ सकती, जस्ट
Oh
गेट टू द
my
चेज,
God,
लाइक
oh
कट टू द चेज एंड देन forget it. But it's not a great space to be in because you're not like I didn't find any individual growth, like any personal growth. There was no personal growth. There was no intellectual growth. Like it's just exchange of bad energies, honestly.
Yeah.
It's not a healthy space to be in. Plus it's a lot of investing time, energy and money. Invest money on good things. Yeah.
So it's like you just go out, just have good time. So do you?
और मुंबई कितना महंगा है यार.
Oh my! I
It
was
is
I was just
महंगा.
telling you that, right?
Yeah.
Yesterday I went to this place where the drinks were so cheap, so cheap. Otherwise, everywhere is so expensive, यार.
इट इज मतलब डिपेंड्स ऑन वेयर एवर यू आर गोइंग. मुंबई में आपको 200 से लेकर 2000 फॉर टू वाला मिलेगा, लाइक 200 फॉर टू एंड 2000 फॉर टू फॉर अ मील. उससे भी ज़्यादा, मतलब 2000 फॉर टू इज स्टिल लेस. आई हैव सीन 8000 फॉर टू, 15000 फॉर टू.
Which is the most expensive place you've been to in Bombay? On a date. On a date.
ऑन अ डेट Bashan.
Oh, you've been. How was
Yeah.
it?
Bashan was amazing. Amazing.
How was the date?
Let's not get there.
Was it not good?
let's not. I mean, it was nice, but the guy started crying, and I mean, I didn't know what to do. Like, of course, like he was telling me why he was crying, and then I just got very like, मुझे भी रोना आ गया. मैं बहुत ही सेंटी इंसान हूँ यार, मैं बहुत सेंटू हो जाती हूँ.
Both of you were crying on
Yeah.
your first date.
अरे यार, I'll tell you what. So basically, he was telling me something very personal, which I feel like पहली date पे you shouldn't.
You should
tell.
not, yeah.
You should not tell something so personal about your life. And then it was so saddening कि, और मैं बहुत सेंटू इंसान हूँ यार. If you are crying, I'll also start crying. मैं मेरे मेल फ्रेंड की शादी थी, मैं फिर भी रोने लग गई. और मेरी फीमेल फ्रेंड के फेरी के टाइम पर तो मैंने नदियाँ बहा दी थी रो रो के. मैं बहुत ही वो इंसान हूँ, मैं बहुत जल्दी रो देती हूँ. छोटी छोटी चीज़ पे कुछ जेन्युइनली रोना आ जाता है. तो मतलब वो रो रहा था तो मैं उसको कंसोल भी कर रही थी, और फिर हाँ सब ठीक हो जाएगा, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. जस्ट और फिर हम दोनों बैशन में बैठे बैठे रो रहे हैं. सो इट वाज जस्ट स्टूपिड. नाउ व्हेन आई लुक बैक आई फील सो एम्बैरेस्ड.
So how did the date go? So how did you end that date?
It was nice only, मतलब I mean,
It was
put
good.
it decent, and yeah, we're friends.
Okay, your friend.
Sorry, please, I didn't mean to mention this story, but I'm not mentioning any names, so it's fine.
Yeah. So how many dates you've been to Bastion? No one knows about that. No, and you don't know
It
how
was
many
only
guys
one
have cried.
date. I've
No,
not
like
gone out a lot.
to that person, they don't know
Yeah,
how many dates you've.
It's only between the two of us.
So, and which has been your best date that you've been to?
I've had a lot of good date experience.
Good.
I've had bad also and good also.
Tell me the best one.
The best. My first date was best. I'll tell you why. Because it was my first ever date. Like I had never been on a date.
But
before.
you mean first date as in when you were in a relationship or something?
No, not in a relationship.
relationship.
Like off relationship, like from a dating app, or like I was meeting somebody for the first time ever. And it was not even like a common link is setting us up or it's like a blind date. No, it's like a proper dating app ke through our setup date. It's my first experience and I'm meeting somebody for the very first time. So I had like a lot of feelings flushing in me. And I don't know how people are on dates.
dates.
Why? So I had no idea. I was calling my best friend और मैं ना 30 minutes पहले पहुंच गई थी. This was the guy who I had a situationship with, by the way. So he was the first.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Great guy.
It is recent. Like
No, it was
like,
last year,
yeah,
2022.
Recent. 2022 is recent. Again, you're not talking about 10 years back. Then.
तो यार मैं आधा घंटा पहले पहुंच गई थी and he was stuck in traffic. तो I was calling my best friend कि यार मिलोनी में क्या करूँ, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. Like how do, like am I supposed to like get something for this person? Like I didn't know anything. So what I did was I had gone to Three Wise Monkeys. Okay,
yeah.
And what I did was I just got a brownie for him and वहाँ पे karaoke था. तो and I knew that he sings, like the guy sings. तो मैंने karaoke में जाके उसका नाम डलवा दिया and with a song of I think his favorite artist.
So
only.
you knew his favorite song basically.
Yeah, I speak मतलब उतना तो मतलब ऐसा like I think I want to have a good conversation before we meet, so that I know something about you, so that I can get
so
something.
उससे पहले कितना टाइम बात किए थे तुम लोग, वो फर्स्ट डेट से पहले?
1 week.
Oh, 1 week you spoke, and then
Yeah,
and that is how you
1
know
week, good time. Like when I knew, like unless I'm sure, मतलब मेरे हो फेज में ऐसा भी हुआ है कि मुझे पता ही नहीं है कि वो इंसान का फुल नेम क्या है, and I've like met them. So ऐसा भी हुआ है, but then now I know, and before also I knew कि भाई मेरे को अच्छे से जानना है उस इंसान को. Once I'm sure of their identity कि भाई it's a real person out there and they're not a serial killer, so then I'm good to go. तो फिर
So I think that is how you knew his favorite song, and
yeah, like I knew things about him, and then we had connected like we were connected on Instagram and I think WhatsApp and Twitter. मैं अच्छे से बैक ट्रैक करती हूँ भाई. If I'm connected, like if I'm meeting somebody on a dating app, things can get so fishy, so I need to be like very sure. I follow them on Instagram, I follow them on Twitter, I stalk them on LinkedIn, I stalk them on, I don't know, any other app that's possible. Like
Google
I
Pay.
take Google Pay nahi. Then I take their phone number, I look like it's a real person. मतलब तुम्हें तुम्हारी stalking करनी पड़ती है यार.
why is it so difficult to like trust someone when you go out on a date?
Because I've had really bad dates.
Okay,
Really bad dates. Like one. Okay,
we'll come
I'm
to
not
the
gonna-
bad date later. We
Yeah.
finish your story. So you went to the karaoke.
Yeah. So it was a surprise for him, both the desert and the karaoke thingy. And it's his favorite place. So it was his recommendation only. And we've had a great time. Like it was my very first date. I didn't know. And I was very nervous. Very nervous. Like I didn't know. Because I've always, so before that, I've always dated my friends. Or like
Okay.
people who I knew from before.
Like mutual somewhere.
Always my friends, and has to be my best friend. Weirdly, I've always dated my best friends only. It's just so stupid. I know. Never do that. Never recommended, guys. तब से मैंने रूल बना लिया, never fuck with friends. It just तुम्हारी रिलेशनशिप में तो कटेगा ही, फिर तुम्हारी फ्रेंडशिप भी टूट जाएगी, तो फिर never do that. Not recommended at all.
You've dated your best friend.
Friends only. Thrice I did it.
Do you think people should date their best friend?
No, not at all. Please, if you have a best friend who is so close to you, and if you want to keep them for the rest of your life, and like just please don't date them. Please keep it platonic no matter what. Please don't date them. और अगर तुम्हारा ऐसे पीपू आके थोड़ी सी गलतियाँ भी हो गई तो भी please keep it very clear that you both are friends, and please stay friends for life. I hope none of you both catch feelings for each other. None of that shit happens. Please, if you have good friendships, keep them. Good platonic friendships are very rare to find, I'm telling you.
Oh my god.
So yeah. उसके बाद से तो मैंने रूल बना लिया, never fuck with friends ever. कभी नहीं कर ही नहीं सकते. That's like my code. नहीं करना ही नहीं है. Never ever do that. If you're a friend of mine, you will always be a great friend to
Great
me.
friend
I'll
of
be a
mine.
dear friend to you. I want this friendship to be platonic for the day till I die. So yeah.
So, but how was it like when you were best friends?
Yeah.
You got into a relationship and you were best friends for how many years?
With my first boyfriend, I
Okay,
was
okay.
three guys I've dated now.
3 guys, all 3 of them were best friends.
Yeah.
Muskan, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Oh my god. You've dated all 3 of your best friends.
Yeah.
You know, first thing you should not do on your list is not make a best friend.
I have a best friend. मैं अभी उसी की शादी से आई हूँ. I'm so happy for him. And nothing ever happened between us. We are gladly platonic, and I'm so happy for him. और उसकी तो love marriage हुई है. मतलब I'm so happy for the two of them.
So 3 best friends. So after you broke up with them, or like you guys went apart, are you guys still in touch?
Not great friends with them, but then I know that these people were friends with me before like us dating. So of course I think some amount of friendship तो फिर भी है ही. तो I think मुझे कभी भी कोई भी ज़रूरत पड़ गई, जो आई एम श्योर मुझे कभी नहीं पड़ेगी, और पड़ेगी तो भी मेरे पास बहुत ईगो है, ठीक है, मैं कभी हेल्प नहीं मांगूंगी. अपने एक्स से तो नहीं मांगूंगी. गाइस, नेवर टॉक टू योर एक्स, नेवर बी फ्रेंड्स विद योर एक्स, इट्स नॉट रिकमेंडेड. बट हाँ, मतलब कभी अगर ज़रूरत पड़ गई तो ठीक है. मतलब आई नो दैट आई विश देम वेल, एंड आई नो दैट दे विश मी वेल. I always cherish the moments, and I'm glad that whatever happened. And I'm always grateful for everything and I'm happy for them. Like उनका छोटा सा भी कोई accomplishment होता है तो I'm happy. I congratulate them and
Okay.
basic like hi hello.
So you mean to say no one should date their best friends? But I think there are relations that I've seen यहाँ पे two best friends they've dated, they've got married as well, and that has worked out really well. And I think best friends are the ones who understand you the most.
I am convinced कि मेरी किस्मत ही खराब है. So I think everybody just rains on my parade. But like मतलब यार मेरे साथ तो I tried this thrice. Imagine I tried thrice.
You tried it thrice and it did not work out.
Yeah, it's not for me. मेरी तो अरेंज मैरिज ही होगी, मैं बता रही हूँ. मेरे पापा मुझे पीछे पड़े हुए. अभी पता है मैं ऑफिशियल परमिशन लेकर आई हूँ घर से कि मैं डेट कर सकती हूँ, मैं डेटिंग ऐप यूज़ कर सकती हूँ, मैं बॉयफ्रेंड बना सकती हूँ. बट आई रियली वांट्स मी टू हैव अ बॉयफ्रेंड बट आई डोंट हैव बिकॉज आई एम अ लूजर. मुझे नहीं मिलने वाला कोई बॉयफ्रेंड.
Oh, what the fuck, Muskan? I think your family, your life is like, I don't know how to explain that. It's just so, I would say it's one of the Dharma movies.
It
is
my
just-
story can yield so much of content, I'm telling you.
Because you've dated 3 guys, all 3 best friends. You've broken up with them. You need a husband who's not into social media. You are a content creator.
Yeah, and with my husband also I have like a lot of like strategies that I've already made. मुझे पता है कि मेरी किस्मत ख़राब है तो मेरा कटना तो है ही. अभी मैं इतने टाइम से अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंडों से कटवा रही हूँ या फिर स्टूपिड लड़कों से कटवा रही हूँ या फिर सिचुएशनशिप्स में फंस रही हूँ, कटवा रही हूँ. अब माइट एज वेल कट आउट विद माई पति हूँ अब ओनली. सो या आई एम प्रिपेयर्ड. I'm prepared for whatever you're gonna send next to me. I'm जेठालाल. I'm telling you भाई मैं किस्मत के हिसाब से तो जेठालाल हूँ. Completely मेरी किस्मत जेठालाल जैसी हो चुकी है कतई.
So,
मेरा इतनी अतरंगी तरीकों से कटा है ना आप सोच भी नहीं सकते हो. मतलब
सबसे गंदा कौन सा कटा है?
सबसे गंदा लाइक सबसे फनी.
हाँ, like funny and hurtful.
The guy told me that I should focus on my studies. I mean, giving the bahana of padhai is the most unreasonable. It's the most unreasonable excuse.
And और कैसा कटा है?
बहुत अतरंगी तरीकों से.
ये सिचुएशनशिप वाला कैसे कटा था?
दिस बिकॉज वो मतलब धीरे धीरे डिस्टेंट हो गया और वो हमेशा ना प्लान्स में बेल आउट कर देता था. तो द वर्स्ट फीलिंग इज व्हेन यू आर ऑल ड्रेस्ड अप रेडी टू गो एंड देन राइट व्हेन यू आर लीविंग यू जस्ट कॉल दिस अदर पर्सन एंड दे जस्ट गो लाइक ब्रो आई कांट मेक इट.
I think
इट्स सो सैड. इट्स सो लाइक मैं रोई हूँ अच्छा खासा. मेरा तो फुल ब्रेक डाउन होता था.
that is the biggest red flag, to be
I
honest.
know.
I think cancelling on plans with anyone, I hate it. I just hate it because I am someone who is a very like a person with the schedule. If I've told you I'm meeting you at 4, I will meet you at 4. Like 15-20 minute ऊपर नीचे होगा,
हाँ.
that is fine. But I will make
Yeah,
sure
if you made a
I
plan-
cancel everything around it and I will make time for you.
Exactly.
And in the end, when someone tells me we cannot do it, I just be like, okay. And I think that is the biggest red flag anyone can have.
I know.
But you were getting signals already, but you were still going on with him.
Yeah, because I'm stupid and I'm so जब मैं प्यार में होती हूँ ना मैं इतनी एक तो मुझे हर दूसरे इंसान से प्यार हो जाता है. मुझे प्यार ही इतनी जल्दी होता है यार पता नहीं कब से. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये तो पक्का प्यार ही है. ये जो मुझे इससे बटरफ्लाइज आ रही है ना आई टेक इट फॉर लव ऑल द टाइम. तो मुझे हर बंदे से प्यार हो जाता है. ठीक है मैं जिससे बात कर रही होती हूँ मुझे ऐसे ऐसे प्यार हो जाता है. मैं ऐसे हवा में उड़ता तीर जैसे तो मैं फीलिंग्स पकड़ लेती हूँ. तो ऐसे आई कैच फीलिंग्स एंड आई एम सो स्टूपिड इन लव.
सबसे जल्दी वाला प्यार कितने टाइम में हुआ है?
2 minutes. Yeah. So there was a guy who used to look decent, but when he spoke, उसकी आवाज़ सुन के जो मुझे प्यार हुआ है भाई साहब मैं वहीं बिखर गई थी कि भाई this guy like look at the way he's speaking, look at the way he's talking. फिर वो क्या बोल रहा है वो सारे गामा पा भी बोले तो भी मेरे को चलेगा. जो बोल रहा है तू बस बोलता रहे मैं सुनती रहूँ बस.
फर्स्ट टाइम मुस्कान ने बोला है तू बोल मैं सुनूंगी.
हाँ ये मैं नहीं बोल भाई मैं किसी को बोलने नहीं देती हूँ. मेरे घर वाले परेशान है इस परिस्थिति से.
ओह माय गॉड.
फिर मेरा और कैसे कटा है. हाँ दिस वाज अ वेरी न्यू एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी. जब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ, सो आई फेल फॉर अ गाय like every other story of mine. I fell for a guy very hard, okay? So I was all like butterflies in my stomach, and this guy was like too good to be true, too pretty, too smart, too great intellect he brings on the table and stuff. So I was also very impressed. Very much of a green flag. Also मेरे लिए सबसे major green flag है कि मतलब फास्ट टेक्सटिंग, लाइक फास्ट रिप्लाईज. इट्स द बिगेस्ट ग्रीन फ्लैग फॉर मी, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि यार इफ आई लाइक यू, इफ आई लाइक यू थोड़ा सा भी, इफ आई
You will
हैव
put in that
थोड़ा सा
effort
भी
to reply
इंटरेस्ट इन
back.
यू
You
ना,
will put in that effort to reply back. So,
या एग्जैक्टली, मतलब इफ आई हैव थोड़ा सा भी इंटरेस्ट इन यू, यू विल नो, यू कैन सी दैट, यू कैन
see that.
स्पॉट इट. मैं 2 सेकंड में रिप्लाई कर देती हूँ यार, एंड देन आई स्टार्ट सेंडिंग यू फोटोज की आई एम डूइंग द सेम. आई वांट टू लेट यू नो दैट दिस इज व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. आई वांट टू नो दिस इज व्हाट यू डूइंग. आई वांट टू नो अबाउट योर स्केड्यूल. आई वांट टू पुट इन एफर्ट्स, जो कि मुझे पता भी नहीं चलता है कि मैं एफर्ट्स डाल रही हूँ, क्योंकि वो ऑर्गेनिकली आता है. मतलब आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग, इट्स जस्ट हैपनिंग खुद से. And fast replies, bro. Like if I'm in a conversation with you, you can't just beach में ऐसे go away and ghost me for next 3 days.
oh my god, don't even talk about
It's
ghosting.
just like मतलब मैं कोई conversation कर रही हूँ and then like I'm just waiting for your reply कि हाँ अब तेरा reply आएगा, अब तो कुछ बहुत important हमारा, मतलब you know हमारा जैसे मान लो विवाद ही क्यों ना हो गया हो, विवाद चल रहा है यहाँ पे proper, और तुम बीच विवाद उठ लिए. ऐसे कैसे हमें वहाँ ऐसे धरा का धरा छोड़ के.
I hate it when someone just scene zone you. I have been scene zoned for 2 to 3 days. And 3 दिन का reply आएगा, and especially in situationships.
Yeah, I mean मेरे को नहीं समझ आता यार कि मतलब एक कॉन्वर्जेशन, जस्ट पुट एन एंड टू दैट कॉन्वर्जेशन ना, मेरे को बीच में मत छोड़ो. एंड घोस्टिंग फॉर 3 days, पहले तो मैं ऐसे डिलूलू में थी कि क्या पता 3 दिन तक याद ही नहीं आई होगी मेरी, सो गया होगा, बिजी होगा. देन मुझे समझ में आया कि मुस्कान नहीं, 3 दिन तक कोई बिजी नहीं रहता है. इफ ही लाइक्स यू, यू विल नो, you will get fast replies, you will get the bhav that you deserve if he likes you. And if he doesn't, then you'll also know that he doesn't. Stop being delusional. I was so delulu. मैं तो इतनी delulu थी, मैंने इतना कटवाया delulu रह के. ये delulu मुझे word बहुत पसंद है by the way.
I think I used it in some other podcast also, delulu, and it's a very Gen Z word. I learned it very
It's a stupid word and I love it because it's stupid. मैंने अपनी मेरी ना दोस्तों ने मुझे एक वो शार्क गिफ्ट करी थी, मिनीसो वाली शार्क, सॉरी डॉल्फिन. तो मैंने अपनी डॉल्फिन का नाम डिलूलू रखा है.
तुम अपना
I sleep with her.
कैरी करती हो अपने साथ.
हाँ मैं हमेशा कैरी, मैं उसको ऐसे हक करके सोती हूँ.
But yeah, I think you get to know यार, जब someone really likes you, when someone really feels something for you, you just know it, you know.
Yeah, you just know it. मतलब और कितना ऑर्गेनिकली होता था यार पहले. अब तो इट्स सो प्रिटेंशियस, इट्स सो बनावटी कि यू नो इफ द गाय इज ब्रिंगिंग फ्लावर्स, इट्स अ ग्रेट जेस्चर. मैंने नहीं बोला फ्लावर्स लाने को, वो ला रहा है फ्लावर्स. आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट ही गॉट इट, बट डोंट मेक इट काउंट. डोंट गिनो ना इट, कि गिनो मत ना कि तुम
Makes sense.
फ्लावर्स लाए हो. तुम्हें खुद से लाना था इसलिए तुम लाए हो, नॉट कि मुझे इम्प्रेस करने के लिए पर्टिकुलरली लाए हो, क्योंकि ऐसे तो मैं इम्प्रेस नहीं होने वाली. और अगर हो भी जाऊंगी तो फॉर मोमेंटरीली, मतलब उसके बाद क्या, लॉन्जिटिविटी का तो देखो ना. मतलब आई डोंट थिंक पीपल नाउअडेज लुक फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म एनीथिंग, लुक फॉर लॉन्जिटिविटी इन एनीथिंग.
they don't. I think उनको एकदम क्या बोलते हैं उसको, क्विक रिजल्ट्स चाहिए किसी भी चीज़ से. इफ आई एम कमिंग आउट विथ ऑन अ डेट विथ यू, आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू नो क्विकली कि तुम्हें ये आगे ले जाना है कि नहीं ले जाना है. सेकंड डेट, दे डोंट वांट टू पुट इन द एफर्ट्स इन द फर्स्ट डेट. दे डोंट वांट टू डू एनीथिंग. दे विल बी लाइक सेकंड वाला बताओ, थर्ड वाला बताओ, फोर्थ वाला बताओ, रिलेशनशिप में आना है कि नहीं आना है, बच्चे करने हैं कि नहीं करने, शादी करनी है कि नहीं करनी.
Bro, I mean they're not wrong, but मतलब it's also again very subjective. पर मेरा तो श्योर है भाई, अगर मंडप में साथ में चलने का प्लान हो तो ही बात करना, वरना नमस्ते हेलो हाय भी मत करना. हम सब टाटा बाय बाय, धन्यवाद, आपसे हमारा मुलाकात यहीं तक थी. अब ओके थैंक यू टाटा बाय बाय, ख़त्म. बस मंडप का प्लान नहीं हो तो मुझे बात ही नहीं करनी है. मैं इतना अपना कटवा चुकी हूँ कि बस अभी मेरा हो गया है कि अब सीधा मंडप. बिकॉज एवरी गाय दैट आई टॉक टू, आई स्टार्ट हैविंग मंडप लाइक इन माई माइंड. लाइक मैं मेरे दिमाग में सोचने लग जाती थी कि मैं अपने मम्मी पापा को कैसे कन्विंस करूँगी इस लड़के के लिए. फिर मैं सोचती थी कि अच्छा फिर मैं ये पॉइंट्स अपने मम्मी पापा को बताऊँगी और मेरे पापा इस पॉइंट से खुश हो जाएंगे. इतनी बार हुआ है मेरे साथ.
एंड जितने भी आई थिंक ऑल द डेटिंग एप्स दैट यू बीन यूजिंग, उसमें से होता है ना एक सबसे वियर्ड लाइन या द मोस्ट क्रिंज थिंग दैट समवन हैज एवर टाइप्ड.
2-3 चीज़ें हैं. पहला, एक तो देयर इज दिस वर्ड, इट्स कॉल्ड आई एम I'm not sure if I'm saying it correctly, but it's called Pulchitudinous. ठीक है,
What is that?
ये नर प्रजाति को जब से ये वर्ड हाथ में लगा है वो इस वर्ड को अंधाधुन यूज कर रहे हैं, बिना देखे यूज
है
कर
क्या
रहे
ये
हैं.
वर्ड?
इट जस्ट मीन्स ब्यूटिफुल. आप सुंदर, ब्यूटिफुल, स्प्लेंडेड बोल दो एक बार. पल्चिट्रिडिनियस क्या है? मैं हर बार देखती हूँ, मैं हर बार गूगल करती हूँ पल्चिट्रिडिनियस मीनिंग. भाई मैं परेशान हो गई हूँ. आप सुंदर बोल दो, आप ब्यूटिफुल बोल दो, हम समझ जाएंगे. आप इतनी इतनी कट्टर अंग्रेजी ना यूज करें. हमारे सर के बाहर है, हमारे कोर्स के ही बाहर है, आउट ऑफ सिलेबस. तो एक तो ये. दूसरा यार, स्टॉप चेपो. इट्स एन एडवाइस टू ऑल द गाइज आउट देयर. ठीक है, अगर आपका पिकअप लाइन का गेम स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है, अगर आपका फ्लर्टिंग गेम स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है, ठीक है, डोंट चेपोफाई लाइन स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम द इंटरनेट. डोंट, मतलब जस्ट 2-3 लाइन्स है मेरे को याद है जो मतलब इतनी है, मैंने तो अपने ब्रॉडकास्ट चैनल में भी डाली है, वह इतनी सुपर क्रिंज हो गई थी. देयर वाज दिस लाइन, देयर वाज दिस स्टेटमेंट दैट जस्ट गोज लाइक, Muskan, can I borrow a kiss from you? I swear I'll return it with interest.
Dude, I think this, oh my god, people are still using this. I think I used this when I was in 7th grade.
It's so like I wouldn't even use it when I was in 7th grade. Plus I was in a girls' school, so yeah. But this was so like I just got like,
What do you do? Do you reply to those? Do you reply to those messages?
No,
You just seen on it and just
I
unmatch that.
unmatch. I just go like Jairam ji ki, thank you. I don't ever want my man to use stupid, cringy, chapod pickup lines on girls like
and
that.
what else you?
Strangers on the internet, just like that. Like कैसे, मतलब what makes you think कि मैं ना impress हो जाऊंगी जब तुम बोलोगे can I borrow a kiss from you? I'll return it with with
Yeah.
interest. It's not impressing any girl out there. मैं हमारी पूरी महिला समिति के समक्ष आपसे इनके बिहाफ पे बताती हूँ कि भाई हम नहीं इम्प्रेस हो रहे, हमें नहीं रिज मिल रहा. आप नॉर्मली बात करो, आप प्यार से बात करो, जस्ट बी योर सेल्फ एंड जस्ट डोंट चेपीफाई थिंग्स स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम द इंटरनेट. दैट्स इट, हम इम्प्रेस हो जाएंगे. और एक और चीज़ जो मुझे ये नर प्रजाति को मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि कृपया कर आप प्रोटीन पाउडर के ज्ञान से पहले प्रोविडेंट फंड का ज्ञान दे जिन भी लड़कियों से आप बात करें, क्योंकि उन्हें उस ज्ञान की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है और मतलब उससे वो सच में इम्प्रेस होंगी. सारे लड़के तो जिम फ्रीक्स जो होते हैं ना, सब ऐसे प्रोटीन पाउडर बताते रहती है, इससे प्रोटीन मिलता है, उससे प्रोटीन मिलता है. भाई फाइनेंस समझा दो. आई थिंक दैट्स मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट rather than, I mean, of course I get it that strength, building strength is important, लेकिन मतलब क्या करूँगी मैं उस स्ट्रेंथ का? मेरे प्रोटीन पाउडर पे तो इतना खर्चा हो रहा है, उस खर्चा का वो तो होना चाहिए ना, सम फाइनेंशियल बैकिंग, सम ये तो मेरा पर्सनल है क्योंकि मुझे फाइनेंस पता नहीं है.
You don't like gym freaks.
I absolutely don't. I straight up like left swipe people with their naked gym wala photos on their profile. It's just very asking for it. It's just like, don't sell your body to get laid. It's
Oh
just
my God.
don't sell your brains to get laid. That might actually impress me. Not saying that I'm sapiosexual. Sapiosexual नहीं हूँ यार. But मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत wannabe लोग लगते हैं जो अपनी naked ऐसे फ्लेक्स करते हुए फोटोज डालते हैं. You don't need to flex. मतलब if I'm looking for something genuine with you, I wouldn't care about your dole shole.
Dole shole.
Yeah, I am myself. I am thul. Why would I care about your dole shole? Or
So, what is the best message that you have received which made you wow, like the first text on a dating app?
So I have this prompt. The prompt says, "I won't shut up about," and my answer to this prompt is cinema. So, so basically, anybody who, मतलब, I think it's not about a line, but it's about a conversation. And I've had great conversations with people. Like even on dating apps, I've met like really nice people, intellectual people, smart brains out there who I've had so much fun, even just like sharing a couple of conversations with. So anything that has cinema related to it, anything that teaches me something, teaches them something, or even when I'm just, or anything that has like a subtle flirt in it. Like I love flirting, and I think relationship में रह कर मेरा flirting game इतना सड़ा हो चुका था. It has now
improved.
become so much better because I've been single for so long. But yeah, I would love to flirt. I would love to like like goof around, and I think witty liners, like witty, like people who can just make fun out of jokes, essay.
Because
So-
you like jokes, you are a comedian.
Yeah, maybe that. Like I think people. I think this is my perspective. This is just my opinion that girls would prefer funny people over dole shole gym freaks any day.
Yeah, I've heard that so
Any
much.
day,
I've heard that
any
so
day.
much that you just make me laugh and you've just won me there.
Yeah, because मतलब क्या करूँगी मैं तेरे डोले शोले का, तो मेरे को हंसा ना भाई, मतलब yeah, मैं
I love how you said it. मैं क्या करूँगी, मैं को हंसाना भाई.
हाँ मतलब हंसा दे भाई, दैट्स द लीस्ट दैट वी कैन. लड़कियों को नहीं चाहिए कि मतलब तुम उनके लिए चांद तारे तोड़ लाओ भाई. अभी तो लड़कियों के वैसे ही स्टैंडर्ड्स इतने कम हो चुके हैं कि तू संतरा छील ले, तू दो चार बातें करके हंसा ले. दैट्स ऑल वी नीड, आई एम टेलिंग यू. एंड नो, नॉट एवरी गर्ल नीड्स फ्लावर्स. आई मीन, इट्स अ ग्रेट जेस्चर, ऑब्वियसली we would love flowers, but not like we would expect you to just. All we expect from guys is to be honest, decent, loyal, and just be funny, bro. You should be able to make
But-
your girl smile.
But I want to counter that. Okay, I've asked a lot of girls, okay, about this, and they've always told me. I've asked them, do you like someone who is a kind, nice person, or who is a fuck boy? जितना भी बोल लो तुम लोग, you will always pick a fuck boy. And then where do all these kind people go then? You say it ki you don't like, you want kind people. This is all we want, this is all we need. But end of the day, girls are choosing fuck boys.
I mean, it's true.
It's true.
It's
It's
true.
true.
But it's also about, like, I strongly believe in this theory. It's called chasing, na. So, matlab, fuckboys make you chase. Girls love to chase. Even guys love to chase. Anybody who makes you chase, you would be deprived of their attention. So it's not the person, but it's the feeling of chasing them and getting their attention. Anything that's even their high, even their this person liked your story is gonna give you butterflies in your stomach, because getting their attention is very difficult for you, and when you get it, it's like some sort of reward.
So I think once you get that thing, the thing that you're chasing, फिर तुम्हारा भाव
You
चला गया.
realize,
Like,
yeah, because this is not what I wanted. Like, this is not it's not about the person. It's just about the feeling. It's just about how you felt. Like, it's just about the void. And honestly, I think it's only like, even girls after a point, they realize कि भाई उन्हें एक घर चाहिए, उन्हें stability चाहिए. Why don't men understand that?
a lot of men are ready to give that, Muskan.
I don't think so.
No, men are. I think you just met wrong men in your life. I have to tell you.
Maybe I need to sort my type. Then there's something wrong with my type, I guess. Then
No, because being a man, I'm telling you that I have been someone who has always been ready to give that kind of a commitment. I want that stability too, and I just do everything for my girl. Like, whatever is possible. Like, you just name it and I'll do it. Okay, not to show it to her, but I'm just like that. But a lot of women, they don't prefer that. In my last situationship, Muskan, I've gone all out. Okay. And they don't, like,
they don't.
her
They don't
dad.
see it.
I'll tell you what. The last situationship, this has happened. Her dad loved me. Like, loved me. Her sister loved me. Her friends, her best friends loved me. And they've all said that we have never seen a guy like this in your life. But काट के चली गई.
Shit.
So I think
Yeah,
what
I
you're
can
saying is
so relate.
a lot of women, they prefer someone nice, okay, down to earth, all of these things. But when
When they're looking for stability, but when they're looking for boyfriends, see, that's when they're looking for husband. But when they're looking for boyfriends, of course they love to chase. Everybody enjoys chase. You would also enjoy chase. Abhi, if you like somebody and that girl doesn't give you bhav, you would like crave for her bhav.
yeah, that is true.
Everybody loves to chase. It's a power dynamics now. I'm telling you, na, I like you too. Bam, you're in a relationship. That was in 2013. Now it's not that anymore.
Like, I'll go behind you. Done. Now I'll come back. You come behind me.
Yeah,
and
you
I'll-
come behind me and then I'll go behind you, and then everybody's chasing everyone, and it's just so difficult. It has become so complex. It's so difficult. मतलब I like you, but let's go with the flow. I like you, but I'm not looking for anything serious. Bye bye. मंडप में नहीं चलना साथ में, प्लान नहीं करनी अपनी शादी. और मैं तो ऐसी इंसान हूँ ना, मतलब मैं तो I have everything planned about my wedding. Like I know the menu, the venue, the caterers, the decorators, the planners, the guest list, who's gonna come, the lineup, what's gonna be the like it's gonna be a sundowner fair. I love sunsets. I have everything planned. I know the fits. I know what the guy is gonna wear. I know what I am going to wear. I just don't know who's the guy.
Oh.
That is TBD.
Is it with all the girls like this? Do all the girls think it this way? They keep everything ready beforehand.
No, but like not really. Not all girls. But
Everyone who is a Geet.
no, that's not true. ऐसा भी नहीं है. और मुझे ऐसे बचपन से शादी का कोई शौक नहीं था क्या, मतलब मे बी. पर मुझे ना अभी मैं ऐसे बहुत सारे दोस्तों को शादी करते हुए देख रही हूँ. एंड सच अ फोमो फीलिंग.
दोस्तों को शादी करते हुए देख रही हो कि अंबानी के खानदान को शादी करते हुए देख रही हो?
आई मीन या दैट टू. बट आई डोंट वांट उतना एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट कुछ भी. उतना तो हो भी नहीं सकता. बट लाइक क्या उतना आई डोंट वांट अ वेरी बिग फैट वेडिंग. आई जस्ट वांट अ वेडिंग.
Oh. Okay, so Muskan, with that, we are
Yes.
almost towards the end, and I have something really, really interesting for you.
ओके.
Okay, so because you are a fan of Bollywood, and I'm very sure you follow
या.
Karan show, Coffee with Karan.
Yeah.
So this is a rapid fire round.
Okay. Wow. I saw it coming though.
Okay, so just whatever comes to your mind. It could be one word as well, and if you want to explain it in a little detail, you can go with that as well.
Okay.
Okay, we'll start.
Okay.
So rapid fire round, guys. Let's go. One reason why your ex is your ex.
Because I deserve the next.
Whoa, nice. Gym freak or a creator?
None.
You have to choose one. Gym freak or a creator?
Creator. Can't put up with gym freaks.
Situationship or one night stand?
One night stand. Any day.
Go
Sorry,
on a
mummy.
date next to a lake or to Starbucks?
Next to a lake. Any day. Hello, Starbucks जितने पैसे नहीं है मेरे पास. For a date. No.
Puchkas or momos?
But puchkas, I'm not a momo girl at all. I
You don't like momos?
I don't like momos. And not puchkas also. It's golgappa.
Kolkata. We say puchka in Kolkata.
Yeah, puchka in Kolkata, pani puri here, and golgappa in the north.
Yeah. One influencer, if yes, you have a crush on.
Sharma ji ka bada beta, Sayam is his name.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He's a Delhi-based creator, and yeah, I love his content. I love his personality altogether. I met him for the first time in some Spotify event. Yeah, and I kind of have a crush on him.
He's a comedian again.
Yeah, comedy genre.
What's the best piece of relationship advice you have ever received?
The true one always comes around. Like if it's meant to be, it will be. And whatever happens, and I've actually experienced it. Whatever happens for good. If that situationship did not work out, that guy, you were not gonna marry that guy, so it's good for you. If that relationship did not work out, it's good. Everything, like I've like now when I look at my exes and I feel like I'm glad I'm not with this person, because जब मैं प्यार में होती हूँ ना, मैं full simp हो जाती हूँ. I am the biggest simp on this planet. I go full प्यार में अंधी. मैं चांद तारे सही में तोड़ ले आऊँगी यार तुम्हारे लिए. जब मैं प्यार में हूँ, like when I'm in a relationship, फिर मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं देता, तो फिर मुझे red flags तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं दिखाई देंगे. If I like you, you treat me shit, and I will worship the ground that you walk on, no matter what. It's not recommended, guys. बट या सो आई गो फुल सिम. तो मेरे को ना रेड फ्लैग्स नहीं दिखते थे. फिर मैं जैसे रिलेशनशिप से निकल जाती थी, एंड देन आई वाज लाइक ओह ओके दिस वाज व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग विद मी. ओह शिट, आई
But
शुड
your
हैव नोन
friends,
अर्लियर.
your friends never, if you are in that situation, friends कभी नहीं आके बोलते थे यार वो तो
यार
रेड
मैं
फ्लैग है.
प्यार में हो ना, तो मैं डिफेंड करूंगी अपने बंदे को. और फिर मेरे दोस्त भी, यार अभी इसको इसके बंदे के लिए गलत कैसे बोली, इसको बुरा लग जाएगा. और मुझे सही में बुरा लगता था. एंड आई यूज्ड टू डिफेंड माय गाइज लेफ्ट राइट सेंटर, नो मैटर व्हाट. लाइक इफ द वर्ल्ड इज अगेंस्ट माय गाय, आई एम गोना गो अगेंस्ट द वर्ल्ड, बट आई एम गोना डिफेंड हिम no matter what, because I'm with him and I love him. So when I'm in love, things you do for love, and I love love.
Everything
so
is fair in love and war.
everything is fair.
now one relationship advice that you would want to give to everyone out here.
Be clear with everything once you have clarity. Yeah, because once you have clarity, once you know what you want, once you're able to communicate what you want, I think you will not have to face anything like situationship या आधा पौना कुछ भी. Just be clear with whatever you need. Just be able to confront it. Just communicate. And then it's okay. I mean, if it works out, great. If it doesn't, even better. The better one is always waiting for you. So just be hopeful. Just never lose hope, I think. Yeah, never lose hope.
Do you feel the right ones come back once you've let them go?
No, it's not the right one. If I've let them go for some reason. It is subjective. I've let them go, but never get back with your ex or something. Never do that.
Describe your ideal date in 3 words.
Okay. Ideal date would be, it has to have sunsets. It has to have sunset. Like, I will go mad. I am a youth sucker for sunsets. I want my fairas as a sundowner faira.
Wow.
So I am a sucker for sunsets. Sunset, something by the beach. It would be very cute. I don't expect anything. मतलब like flowers वगैरह मेरे को कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. You come, you just don't be a serial killer. And yeah, it has to have sunsets. It's the conversation needs to be going, and like we should never fall out of topics. I'm a yapper girl, so he needs to be a listener. Or like if he's a yapper boy, then that's even better, because like we're both talking, and then we should always have like that fun in any of the conversations that we have. And it needs to have good food. अगर खाना अच्छा नहीं है, मेरा मूड खराब हो जाएगा.
What is your favorite food?
I mean, North Indian cuisine any day.
I think
I go mad about
my
chili
favorite is
kulcha.
paneer butter masala and naan is my go-to food
Garlic naan.
forever in life.
And लच्छा पराठा.
Oh, I fucking love it.
मेरी मम्मी बहुत टेस्टी बनाती है यार.
तुम लोग vegetarian हो?
हाँ.
तब. Okay. If you could give your younger self one piece of advice, what would it be? छोटी मुस्कान को, चंचल को.
छोटी मुस्कान को. Yeah. Don't try to act cool. No, it's not meant for you. तू uncool है भाई, पर तू ऐसी ही रहे. तू जैसी है वैसी सही है. Don't try to act cool. Don't learn new Gen Z terms or like new words, or just don't pull an accent ever again. Ever. No, never do that.
You tried pulling an accent?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to hear that now. What was that?
Things I've done for love. You know the football thing I was telling you?
Oh yeah. Oh, what is the football thing? Yes.
So like this college crush that I was telling you about, this like 5-6 good years I've had, I still have a crush on him. He was the football captain of my college. He was in computer science only, and I was also in computer science. And he was 2 years elder to me. So he was a senior, super senior per se. And उससे पहले मुझे फुटबॉल बिल्कुल नहीं आता था, और मैं उसका आधा पौना छोटा मोटा रेगुलर टेस्ट सारे मैचेस देखने जाती थी. टेस्ट तो क्या मतलब बेसिक सारा मतलब टूर्नामेंट्स तो देखती ही
जो
थी.
कॉलेज में होता था कि बाहर भी होता था?
नहीं, जो कॉलेज ग्राउंड पे होता था, जो कॉलेज की फुटबॉल ग्राउंड पे होता था, मैं सारे मैचेस देखने जाती थी. और एक दिन मतलब this once was there randomly अपने एक मैच के बाद वो जीता था, and the crowd was cheering his name. crowd में 3 लोग थे, मैं ही थी majorly. तो I was cheering his name. I can't say his name, but then I was like, oh, I was cheering. I so badly want to say his name, but okay. तो I was cheering his name. चलो ठीक है, बोल ही देती हूँ. So I was just like ध्रुव. मैं बहुत चिल्लाई उसका नेम, और out of nowhere उसको इतनी खुशी थी जीतने की, उसने अपना शर्ट खोल दिया. I went nuts that day. I was like, I'm attending every football match of this guy. और उसके बाद मैंने अपने क्लासेस बंक करके उसके मैचेस देखे हैं. Not just that. This girl who knew shit about football.
Who did not know shit about football?
Who didn't know shit about football. She learned playing football. And then she played in Flavium also. Flavium is our sports fest.
You play football?
Yeah.
Oh my.
I mean, not that well.
But and you started playing
Yeah,
football
I
because of
tried.
him.
Yeah.
That is how far you can go for someone.
I lost 30 kgs just by playing football and like dancing and stuff.
What are you saying? So you can go so far for your guy.
I mean, things I do in love is mad. I go mad. So, yeah.
That was so good. Oh my god. I wish someone could do that for me. They learn football for me because every time I find. So I have a huge crush for people who are into sports. Okay. Because I've been a sports person since childhood. But I don't find girls who are into sports a lot.
No, there are some.
No, there are a lot, but I
amazing
don't
girls
meet
that I
them.
know.
Basically, there are a lot, but I don't meet someone.
मैं कह रही हूँ स्पोर्ट्स क्लब ज्वाइन कर लो, बेस्ट है. अरे जो सुख प्राप्ति होगी ना आपकी, मैं बता रही हूँ, नैन सुख प्राप्ति.
I think they are the best. I think someone playing any kind of sport is just soothing to your eyes, soothing to your soul. Like they just carry it so well. Okay, with that we'll move forward. What's your go-to comfort food after a breakup?
Anything that my mom cooks, but let's say like I'm not living with my mom here, so pani puri any day. But like after a breakup, I would want to hog on sweets a lot. तो मतलब रसमलाई is my go-to. Indian desserts में तो रसमलाई and बाकी brownie, fudge, waffle, yogurt. I eat a lot of sweet. Then I don't have a sweet tooth, but then if I'm sad, if I want to light up my mood, I just hog on sugar like anything.
What is your favorite song?
I have a lot of like, my playlist is right from Kishore Da to Kanye West. So I have a lot of favorite songs. I can tell you current favorite. That is.
Let me guess. Wait, let me guess. Because of the situation that you came out of, I think Husn should be your favorite song.
No. Husn is not my favorite. So I am a youth sucker for like independent artists. I'm a youth sucker for indie music. So, like, there's this recent, like a very new song. It's called Mandhaga.
I know.
Mandhaga. It has Amit Trivedi, Yashraj Mukhate. Yeah, that is a very beautiful song. Then there is Kitse by Nine Music, NYN Music. Kitse. It's a beautiful song. Then there is Roo Fikra. The singer's name is Roo Fikra. Puritu by Roo Fikra.
Okay.
Amazing. I've been obsessing over that song. So I love independent music, but like my go-to usual, like I'm a bhakt for Kishore Da. Bhakt. I know all of Kishore Da's songs, word to word. You take any verse, you take any, मतलब को तुम music start कर दो, I can guess the song, I can
Oh
guess
my
the
God.
word. I'm a Kishore Da bhakt. He just lights up my mood like anything, and Kishore Da has like such a huge range of music. मैं सैड हूँ किशोर दा, मैं खुश हूँ किशोर दा, मुझे डांस करना है किशोर दा, मुझे डिस्को करना है बप्पी लहरी एंड किशोर दा.
Yeah.
आई लव किशोर दा way too much.
On the same lines, I love Jagjit Singh a lot.
Jagjeet Singh, he's a vibe.
I've heard him live. Okay, before he died, his last performance was in our school.
Oh my god.
Before he died. So I've heard him live, and after that I've just fallen for him. Like I can just listen to Jagjit Singh anytime. Like even in a party, I can just put on that music and I can listen to Jagjit Singh. He's just so good.
Like I listen to all kinds of music. My go-to is Kishore Da, of
Kishore.
course.
And your favorite song? Let me favorite movie. I know which is it.
It's one of my favorite movies. I have a lot of favorite movies. Yeah,
But
what
I
to
think
do?
your favorite movie has to be.
My comfort movie, well, it's Jab We Met, but it's also Masan for some reason. Yeah. I absolutely love Neeraj, the director. His work is phenomenal. And his, like, the casting of Masan is so on point. Every, like, छोटे से छोटा
छोटा
role,
casting, yeah.
छोटे से छोटा role. It's a beautiful movie with Vidushak. I forgot his real name. I remember his Instagram name. It's Vidushak. This guy, Varun, no. This guy, he wrote the poetries of Masan.
Masan.
Beautiful. So कि मतलब जैसे वो तो किसी रेल से गुजरती है, मैं किसी पुल सा थरथराता, या फिर जो उसकी लाइंस है, एक वो मुझे बहुत पसंद थी, मुसाफिर है हम भी, मुसाफिर हो तुम भी, फिर मुलाकात होगी किसी रास्ते पे, ऐसा कुछ है.
And Muskan, उसके साथ, like, I think you also write You write a lot,
Yeah.
ठीक है? And you are performing your. I think till the time this podcast comes out, you would have already been performed. But कुछ भी mind में है जो हम सबको सुना सकती हो छोटा सा.
अभी
Anything, like not something that you're performing, but anything that is in your mind.
Yeah, I've never performed this anywhere, but I've always wanted to. You've heard this song, right? Chor by Just.
Yeah, अभी जो.
Yeah. So I was one of the first 6,000 viewers, listeners to that song. It had come out 3 महीने हो गए अभी तो उसको December ending, January beginning में मैंने सुना था. मैंने जिसको text भी किया. He's a very sweet guy. And then I made my version of
Okay.
Chor.
Oh, yes.
I can't sing it because I'm a bad singer. I tried singing it. I'm just gonna...
No, I think you can just sing it. It's fine.
No. I'm a very bad singer. You're gonna have to like... People will just skip out this part if I go ahead and sing. मैंने गाया, मेरी रूममेट का प्रोफेशनल माइक लेके मैंने गाया, रिकॉर्ड किया, and I sounded so bad. So terrible I sounded. So I'm just gonna read it out. This is my version of Chor. कल रात आया मेरे मन एक शोर, आके बोला कर ले तूने जो भी सोचा है वो. मैंने बोला मेरा नाम ही क्या है, मेरा नाम कहाँ है, ना काम जहाँ है, सब आम यहाँ है. कल रात किया मैंने भी कुछ गौर, करके सोचा मुझे यहाँ क्यों ही भेजा गया है. तो वो बोला तेरी जीत यहाँ है, तेरी हार यहाँ है, तेरा घर यहाँ है, तो डरना क्या है, सवाल भी क्या है, जवाब यहाँ है, तेरा राज बया है, तेरा ख्वाब सजा है. कल रात मैंने खोली थी एक डोर, खुल के सुलझी, बोली यही तो करना था. तो मैंने बोला अब काहे मनाए, मुझे सब है भाई, जो भी सताए और ना सताए, अब नहीं खता है, जो भी दुखता है, मुझे सब पता है, मेरा रास्ता क्या है. कल रात आया मेरे मन एक शोर.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
But I wish I could sing it, but I'm not a good singer.
This is so beautiful, Muskan. And I think this is what you wrote is for all of us. It is not only from your point of view, but I think it is a point of view from my end as well.
Everyone who is trying to make it.
That is what I'm saying. Everyone who's trying to make it in life.
Yeah, this actually happened with me. Like मैं रात को बहुत ओवरथिंकिंग करी थी और मैंने सुबह उठते ही से मुझे लगा कि यार this can be something. सुबह उठते ही से मेरे को आइडिया आया था क्योंकि रात को I was just having a lot of existential crisis कि यार मैं क्यों यहाँ पे, मेरा पर्पस ही क्या है, am I making anybody happy, nobody even knows me, what am I doing here, why am I sent here. So I was just having like I talk to God a lot and I talk to myself a lot. Just an overthinker thing.
But it is so beautiful. I think it just relates to all of us.
Thank you.
I think and you should try singing it, trust me.
Do you
Not
really
now,
want?
not now, not now, because
Look at my voice.
Yeah.
I sound like Amitabh Bachchan from his school days. More like Amitabh Bachpan. I don't know.
but I think you should definitely try it. Not now, but once you're better, just try it.
I will. For
With
sure.
that, Muskan, we come to an end.
Ooh.
Thank you so much for coming here, making it, and that poetry was so beautiful.
Thank you.
And the conversations, trust me, have got best conversations.
I don't know.
And there are going to be a lot of videos coming out of that piece. So with that, but thank you for making it, and thank you for just being here.
Thank you so much for having me here, Shanky. And I thank you so much for making me comfortable throughout, honestly. And I'm sorry for boring you out if I did.
No, I'm a very good listener. Okay, that is what people have told me. So I really want to listen, and I loved it.
Thank you. I had genuinely a lot of fun being on this podcast. Just having a word with you, it just felt so organic.
Yeah, no.
So, yeah.
See, guys, you should follow this channel more. Okay, guys. See you.
See you. Bye-bye.
I hope you enjoyed the conversation. I hope you love this episode. ऐसे ही और podcast के लिए don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share it with your friends and family because I'm going to give you some great stories in my coming podcast.
कोई doubt मत रखना.